Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started here. The week started on the 24th July until 28th July, right? So the first trade, pound Aussie, long setup here. And my entry is here on the left. You can see the yellow mark, entry, buy order, and SL move to break even plus. And this one is for 100 pip. And everything is by all the trades you will see by the setup, nothing random, by the setup. I have to have the setup with 4 conditions before I open the trade. And then alarm must beep. This alarm here, CTS alarm. And it has to beep, and then I'll check that if it is a good one and it is going for with my analysis. Yes, I do webinars for my subscribers twice a week, and I give them my analysis and reasons that this pair should go up, this pair should go down, and then look for the setup in that direction, so they all know what to do. All right, so this is how it is set up here. Now, this second Euro Aussie 180 pip, beautiful short setup here. Yellow is below the black. This indicates all the way up. Nice setup, right? And all the way down in a straight line. This is another very good setup, but I didn't take it because I was already in the trade. And it is on the 25th. Now, next is pound Aussie. Well, first it was going up here, then it started to come down, and this is the setup. This is the setup as well. This is entry, and it is for 80 pip. Euro yen 80 pip, sell order right there. 55 euro USD. This pair don't move much, and it was it already have moved, so very little room. You have to pay attention to the daily range as well, that how much the daily range is for each pair and how much it already has traveled by the time you're getting in. So you have only a certain amount of pippage to hold the trade. Okay, so now this is on the 26th. You can see here gold from here, 1964 to 1978. And this one, Euro Yen, look at that, 200 pip to the downside, right from there all the way down here. And the bigger one is this 310 pip pound yen. Yen was getting strong. I posted on the Telegram that all yen pair would be going down because yen is getting strong, and that's what happened. USD yen, it didn't drop much because USD also was getting strong. So, but yen was getting more stronger, and it took it down anyway, 75 pip. And now pound Aussie is turning the table on the upside. Buy order here, going up. Aussie start to get weaker, and boom, went up to 170 pip. And then pound yen. Now this one, I'm going to make a video why pound yen dropped first for 300 pip or more. I got the trade for 300 pip. Then going to the upside again for 230 pip. The reason is that I made the chart actually that all these pairs will go up, yen pairs again, because it was turning to the upside. Let me see if I can show you. Probably this one. See, this is the chart I made on July 27th. So it's 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, wave 4 is finished, and from here it's supposed to be going up for wave 5. And what will happen? This will take all yen pairs to the upside, and that is the reason that boom, pound yen. Not only this, I said all, right? Okay, look, Euro yen, 120 pip. Buy the book, beautiful entry. CAD yen, buy the book, beautiful entry. USD yen, buy the book, beautiful entry, 110 pip. CAD yen is 120 pip. Euro yen, 120 pip. So I got 4 of these yen pairs going to the upside after making this chart, that this will bounce from there. And by the way, what happened to this chart? Let's take a look. Well, this is gold. I'll make the chart on gold later on. But yen index chart, which I was showing that it will go up. This is what happened so far. See that? I made the chart. Again, let me show you. I made the chart that this is going to happen, and it will go up, and it will do this. So far, current chart start to go up and all the way here, and it did this. I got 4 yen trades for more than 500 pips. Around somewhere. Maybe I said too much. But yeah, where are they? Here, right? USD yen, and there's more. Yeah. So Euro Aussie 80 pip to the upside, and that's about it. But these are the 4 trades: USD yen, CAD yen, Euro yen, and pound yen. I got this because of this chart I made on the 27th. So between 27, I made this chart. I caught it that, okay, it's going to go up, and it will take all the yen pairs to the upside, and I got 4 of these big trades. So this is how it happens. My little bit of my analysis, and after that, my entry system. You learn that. If you want to learn that, go on my website, creativetrading.com, subscribe, or if you want to learn, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, all of that mumbo jumbo, which I do all the time, and I teach them all the time. So you might want to sign up for one-on-one and take it from there. Okay, so this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my videos as soon as possible. I have several indices, NASDAQ, S&P 500. Also, I have very nice charts. They might be turning to the downside, so I'll show that in the next video. I'll make that, as well as some more forex pairs setups. So this is it. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.